Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by matching demand with supply. Identify the top 5 hiring industries in your area and the exact skills missing. Once done, enroll unemployed people into 4 8-week fast-track training that teaches those skills, because speed produces placements. Make sure to set up a simple job matching portal with curated resume templates and automated alerts. This connects candidates to openings fast. You'll measure success weekly, adjusting cohorts and course content to prioritize immediate hires and reduce downtime. You now expand by bringing employers into the loop. Negotiate short-paid internships of 4-12 weeks with clear conversion goals so companies try talent before committing. Simultaneously, offer subsidies of $3K, $10K per hire to lower employer risk. This incentivizes real hires rather than temporary roles. Once employers agree, implement standardized on-the-job skills assessments and micro-credentials so you can document capability and speed up decisions. Make sure to collect. You finish by securing retention. Conduct 30 and 90-day check-ins with both worker and employer, providing coaching on workplace norms and problem-solving. If placements fail, run a focused root cause analysis immediately. Determine whether it's a skill gap, cultural fit, commute, or pay issue, because diagnosis dictates the fix. Once you identify the cause, adjust training content, subsidy levels, or referral criteria, and document the change. This loop ensures continuous improvement, so future placements succeed more often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.